I wanted to tell you about Neil myself. I guess your father must have told you everything, huh?
No. After I realized Lucinda wasn't about to give up, I did some digging at the local library. You know, newspapers, who's who. Figured I'd better know what I was getting myself into.
No wonder you didn't jump at the chance to meet me.
Oh, now listen,
Sammy?
Royce, it's...
Sammy?
Yeah?
You won't believe what I just had. Salmon,
That's moose.
Well, right. It melts in your mouth.
Salmon's one of Graham's specialties. Boy, he can really make a mean smoked salmon and onion omelet, too.
Oh.
What time is it? You all have a place to stay?
You don't have to ask me twice. How about it, Sam?
Thanks, but, I don't think so.
Devere, are you there? Devere.
Hi, you guys leaving already?
Well, I'm wide awake, but daughter number 2 is a party pooper.
Well, then maybe the 3 of you should go home and go Betty-bye.
Yeah. So,
I'll walk you to lunch.
Good night, Susan.
good night,
Good night.
Greg.
Good night. Yes, thank you, thank you.
Thanks.
Hey, sweetheart, how are you? I missed you tonight. Lily, what's the matter?
Leather Fashions by Sienna. As the world turns.
Was the right call.